How to create Add Yours templates on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To create an Add Yours template, first launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure that you have updated Instagram. Now tap plus icon at bottom center of the screen or simply tap your story at top left. And you simply need to choose a background for your story. Tap sticker icon at top right, and you need to find the template option or add yours templates. Now you can easily add images or GIFs to the template by selecting the photo option in the sticker. In order to pin text or photos, you can easily tap and hold the item, then click the pin option. And after that, you need to tap next at top right corner of the screen and then share the template with your followers. Let's tap on continue button, and once done you can easily add to your story. So in this way you can successfully create Add Yours template on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.